Hey there, everyone. So I got a promo code for you guys for a prepaid legal service. I've talked about them before in the past. The promo code, sometimes expires. Now I don't get some type of a kickback from this, right? The way it works is I do work for them. Either I host an event, or I will, go to one of their seminars and I will talk about gun training. Okay, and as part of my compensation, they will give me a promo code to pass on to you guys. So that's a way of me giving additional value back to you guys, right? So I do all these gun training videos. I don't monetize the channel, right? So I do this purely to benefit the gun community. Okay, so for exactly the same reason, right? I obtained this promo code for you guys. Again, I don't get a kickback or something if you guys sign up. And the reason why I get this is I want to be able to give it to my customers, right? People that I train in person, because a lot of times people are coming from different states and they're asking me legal gun questions, okay? And although I know the answer to most of those questions in my state, right, in Pennsylvania, I can't say with certainty what the answer is going to be from the states that they came from. Okay, so does my state have reciprocity with their state, or can they travel from this state to that state carrying a gun, or do they have to unload it, or can they carry this specific gun with this number of rounds in the magazine? Okay, I mean, I cannot give the answer with certainty, because all 50 states have their own, gun laws. Okay, so it is a great convenience to me to be able to say, here, I got this legal service for you guys. It's U.S. Lawshield. Okay, it's only about $10 a month, right? And there's your promo code, Pocono Shooting, right? So this promo code gives you, right now it's giving you the first month free, okay? And you're able to cancel it, okay? So you got a promo code here, okay, where you get the first month free. You're able to cancel it, okay? So what you can do is you can sign up, okay, ask all these questions, and then if you still don't want it after 30 days, you cancel, and it didn't cost you anything, okay? So again, this is a convenience that I offer to my customers, so that they're able to get the correct legal answers to their gun questions or their self-defense questions from an actual lawyer from their state, okay? What you want to do is you want to get this in writing, in email form, and you're going to hold on to it, okay? So whatever questions you have, like, can you have a pistol brace? Can you have, whatever, all the different things that have come up. Bump stock. You have a bump stock from a couple of years ago that you had hidden. The Supreme Court has now ruled that that was unconstitutional. Is it okay for you to now bring it out and go to the gun range? Okay, I mean, I can kind of guess the answer to that, but it's best to get the answer from an actual lawyer. And this part's important, that you pay, okay, and you are their client. And it doesn't matter what you're paying them, right? It doesn't matter if it's $10 a month or 10 cents a month. The point that you are paying them makes you their client, so you have good reason to rely on the information that you get, okay? Because if you get, let's say, some legal advice over the internet, even though the person giving you that advice might be a lawyer, they're not your lawyer. You don't pay them, okay? So you need to be able to say, that's my lawyer, I pay him, and I get legal advice that I can rely on, okay? So this is something really important for me as a full-time gun instructor. I want to be able to tell my customers, here's a cheap lawyer, okay? He's still a lawyer. Doesn't matter if he's cheap. He's a lawyer. You pay him $10 a month, and that makes you his client, and now you can rely on any information. So sign up. First month's free, right? Sign up. Ask all the questions that you want to ask, okay? And if at the end of the free period you decide that you don't want to keep paying it, and then you just cancel, and it didn't cost you anything. Okay. So again, the service is U.S. Lawshield. Okay, and right now it's $11 a month, and there's your promo code, Pocono Shooting. All right, there's a code field or something there. That's where you're going to type that in. Okay, you got to sign up through the website, uslawshield.com. Okay. So again, I don't get a kickback if it doesn't change if one of you sign up or if a million of you guys out there sign up, it doesn't change. I provide certain services to them as part of my compensation. They give me this promo code to give to my customers. You guys that follow my channel, right, are essentially, I see you guys as my clients as well, my customers, right? So you are all people that I train. So when I asked for this, I told them that I was going to give it to people that I train, but I mean, I didn't draw a distinction between people that I train in person and the 10,000 plus viewers that I have on the different video platforms, YouTube, Odyssey, BitChute, all these different places that I'm on. Okay, so thanks for watching. And again, this is my way of basically, it's my way of providing additional services to the gun community, because I don't even monetize my channel. Okay, there's not supposed to be any commercials when you guys click on my videos, because I don't monetize. Okay, everything I do is for the benefit of the gun community, and I'm trying to basically grow the gun culture. Okay, so drop some comments. I'll talk to you all soon. By the way, I completely skipped over the part where, yeah, if you do get into a self-defense situation, you do have a lawyer on call, right? So you got somebody that you can call. I mean, by now, you watching my channel, you know that if you get into a self-defense situation, you keep your mouth shut. You don't talk to the police, or at least you don't give them details, right? You give them some basics to the extent of that person tried to hurt me. I had to defend myself. There's his weapon, there's his gun, there's the cases, right? If anything moves, you gotta let them know. You point out the witnesses, right? Make sure the gun is back in the holster before they arrive, okay? And beyond that, you don't say anything, okay? If they tell you that they're gonna drag you off to jail, if you don't start talking to them, you say, yes, take me to jail, and I'll wait, for my lawyer there, okay? So no matter what kind of pressure they put on you, you don't start yapping to the police, okay? So in addition to everything I said earlier, where you can ask legal questions, you also get the service that you get a lawyer on call if you ever do get into a self-defense type of situation. However, that's not what I usually tell people that I train, because it's realistically such a low probability that would happen to you, right? I mean, it doesn't mean that's impossible, but it's a low probability. But what is likely, that you will have gun-related and self-defense-related questions in your state. And yeah, don't just, get the answers off random guys on the internet. Get them from a lawyer, okay? So, talk to you all soon. There's a promo code again.